everybody. Today let us see types of ovule on the basis of integuments. First up is unit technique, second one is bi technique, third one is A technique. First one, unit technique. Only one integument is present. Example, gamma petalae and mostly gymnosperms. Second one is bi technique, polypetalae, that is capsella and monocots. Here, two integuments are present in bi technique. A technique, integuments are absent. Example, Ovules, Lyriosma, Loranthus and Santalum. Next types of ovules on the basis of nucellus. Two types, tenunucellate, quasi-nucellate. Tenunucellate, the nucellus is less developed or single layer. Example, gamma petalae. In quasi-nucellate, it's a massive type. What is massive type? That is, it is made up of many layers. Example, polypetalae and monocots. Next, we will see the types of ovule on the basis of position of different parts. What are the different parts? Micropyle, chalaza, hilum, and also the orientation of funiculus. There are 6 types: atrophous, anatrophous, hemitrophous, amphitrophous, camphylotrophous, circinotrophous. First, let us see orthotrophous ovule. This is in what position? No, upright in position. So you can see the micropyle, chalaza, the hilum are in straight line. Okay, so this type of ovule is called as straight ovule or upright ovule. This type of ovule is called as straight ovule or upright ovule. Example for this is beetle. Example for this, beetle, piper, polygonum, and also it is found in gymnosperm, and it is also found in gymnosperm. And then this type of ovule is most primitive and also simplest type of ovule. Then what is absent here? No, raphe is absent. Already I have explained about raphe in previous class. So in orthotrophous ovule, what is absent? Raphe is absent. Next type of ovule is anatrophous ovule. This ovule is completely turned 180 degree. Okay. How it turned 180 degree? Due to lateral growth of funiculus. So it is called as inverted ovule. You can see the chalaza and the micropyle lie in straight line. At the same time, the micropyle and the hilum, they lie side by side very close to each other. This type of ovule is found in 80% families of angiosperm, but it is not found in capsella. Keep in memory, it is not found in capsella. See in this ovule, you can see the micropyle is facing in what condition? Downward condition. But this is the most common type of ovule and it is considered as a typical ovule of angiosperm, and the other name for this is also known as resupinate ovule. What is the other name for this ovule? Resupinate ovule. The other name is resupinate ovule. Example for this is Malvaceae. Example for this is Malvaceae, Cucurbitaceae, then Solanaceae, then Compositae family, and P. These are the examples for this type of ovule. Which ovule? Anatrophous ovule. Third type of ovule is hemitrophous ovule. It is otherwise called as hemianatrophous ovule. See, in this ovule, you can see the body of the ovule bent on the funicle at what degree? 90 degree angle. So, the body of the ovule is present at what position? Right angle position to the funiculus. This is intermediate type between orthotrophous and anatrophous ovule. This is intermediate between orthotrophous and anatrophous ovule. It is also called as horizontal ovule because you can see the body of the ovule is present in horizontal position on the funiculus. So you can see the micropyle and chalaza are in straight line At the same time, you can see that that is the hilum. The hilum is situated away from the micropyle. See, the hilum is situated away from the micropyle. Example for this is ranunculus. Example for this is ranunculus. Then primula. Ranunculus and what? Primula. Type of ovule is amphitrophous ovule. See, in this type of ovule, you can see the curvature of nucellus. See, this is the nucellus. See, the nucellus become what? Curved. Due to this effect of nucellus, the embryo sac become what shape? No, horseshoe shaped. The embryo sac become horseshoe shaped. See, the micropyle come close to the hilum. This is otherwise called as transverse ovule. This is otherwise called as transverse ovule. Example for this is mirabilis. Example for this mirabilis. Mirabilis lemna. Poppy, that is papaver. Poppy, papaver. Papaver. Then alisma. Alisma. Then Butomaceae family. Butomaceae family. Next type of ovule is campylotropous ovule. See, the body of the ovule is curved. Okay. And the micropyle and chalaza are not in straight line. See, micropyle is here and chalaza is here. They are not in straight line. You can see the nucellus is in curved position. Even the nucellus in curved position, the embryo sac remains what? Straight. At the same time, the micropyle come close to the hilum. This ovule is otherwise called as curved ovule. Example for this is leguminosae. Example for this leguminosae. Then Caparidaceae. 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 Cruciferae family. Cruciferae family. Example. Cruciferae family. Capsella. The next type of ovule is, the last one is Circinotrophous ovule. The last one is what? Circinotrophous ovule. See, in this type of ovule, it becomes inverted and again turn to upright position. First it is inverted and again turn into upright position due to the growth of water. Funiculus. So that the body of the ovule is present in what degree? No, 360 degree, and the entire ovule is surrounded by the funicles. This ovule is otherwise called as coiled ovule. You can see here like this it is. So it is also called as what? Coiled ovule. See, the micropyle is situated away from the hilum. Example for this is Cactaceae family. Example for this is Cactaceae family. Cactaceae family, that is Opuntia. Next one, let us see megasporogenesis. What is meant by megasporogenesis? Genesis means formation. Formation of megaspore. From where? Megaspore mother cell. MMC. For microsporogenesis, it is called microspore mother cells. In megasporogenesis, this MMC is called as megaspore mother cell. From megaspore mother cell, megaspores are formed. This is known as megasporogenesis. Okay. Now, see, during the development of the ovule, already I have taught the structure of ovule, types of ovule, and now during the development of ovule, the beginning process, what develops now? Nucellus. See, this is the nucellus I have drawn. This nucellus develops from placenta. Important, very important. Nucellus develops from the placenta in the form of small, rounder, outgrowth-like structure. Small, round, outgrowth-like structure. At this stage, you can see inside all the cells of nucellus are undifferentiated. homogeneous and meristematic. I'll repeat again. All the cells which is found in the new cellus are undifferentiated, homogeneous and meristematic. But finally it becomes parenchymatous. Finally it becomes what? Parenchymatous. This parenchymatous I have drawn here. It becomes what? Parenchymatous. You see the figure here. You can see this is the new cellus. Inside you can see parenchymatous cells and it is surrounded by epidermal layer. This layer is epidermis and these are parenchymatous cells. Okay. Now what happened? One of the cell becomes larger in size and due to the presence of distinct nucleus. You can see here, see one of the parenchymatous cells become larger in size with a distinct nucleus. That is called as archisporial cells. You see the next figure. This archisporial cell divide mitotically and form two types of cells. That is primary parietal cell and primary sporogenous cell. The primary sporogenous cell acts as a megaspore mother cell. I'll repeat again. The primary sporogenous cell acts as a megaspore mother cell. Okay. And it is found in which region now? Micropylar region. This is found in micropylar region. And this divides meiotically. This megaspore mother cell divides meiotically and form 4 haploid megaspores. And form how many megaspores? 4 haploid megaspores. See, these 4 haploid megaspores, they are arranged in a linear tetrad. They are arranged in linear tetrad. Usually, lowermost or chalazel megaspore remains functional. See this one, lowermost or chalazel megaspore. This only, out of this 4, this only remains what? Functional. And the other 3 which lie towards the micropyle degenerate. அதாவது இந்த மூணுமே degenerate ஆயிரும். இந்த lower most இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது மட்டும் என்னவா இருக்கும்? Functional-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay. So the functional megaspore, this only produces the female gametophyte. Okay. This only produces what? Female gametophyte in most of the angiosperm. Example, Capsella. And the chalazel megaspore remains always functional.